Welcome to Wes's Garage. We've just taken apart this Beretta for the demo derby in July, and we are here breaking the glass. And it was one of our bright ideas to take an airbag, put it back there, and launch it against the back window. And just see what happens. I'm enjoying this. I know Wes is enjoying this too. So don't try this at home. You must have the proper parental guidance and the proper wisdom and knowledge on how to do this.
Like we actually do.
We don't have that. Anyway, we just need a reason to blow things up. Mad scientist Scott, here we go.
Wait. All right, go.
That was awesome!
You got anything else to say?